Research Academy welcomes to you in another video on the Smart PLS. Dear viewers, as you know that I'm running a one series on the Smart PLS. Before this one, my 8 videos are available on the Smart PLS. So all these 8 videos are theoretical, and this is the first practical video. I personally suggest you to watch all my theoretical videos before watching this practical video, because theoretical concepts are very much important to understand that what you are doing in the Smart PLS, what is being done in the Smart PLS, and what is the result which you are getting. It will be very easy for you to understand and to interpret all those research. If you want to do all these things, theoretical concepts are very much important. That's why these videos are available, and have a look on all these one. Okay, so my name is Dr. Raimul Sumro, and I'm from Shabda University, Pakistan. So in this video, I'm going to introduce you with a very important software that's about Smart PLS. And before you, this is the website of the Smart PLS. So I'm going to introduce this website, what is there on this website for you. However, if you want to, how to download it, if you want to buy it, how to buy it, what are the different packages which are available at this website, how they are providing you support, and different resources are available. So all these things we are discussing in this video. So now this is available for you, Apple, like this one. If you are using the Apple operating system, this is available. But if you are running Windows operating system, now this software is available for the both one. Okay, and if we go down, what's there now? This is the professor here, a very famous professor, and he has written a wonderful book on the multiple data analysis. So he has a great contribution behind the development of this software. And then these are some of the videos are available to you. So now you can go through and watch all those on the different topics which have been discussed in these videos. And then the different options are, different links are available, which are to you, where you can go and visit all those ones. You can find out the complete detail about the different type of the calculations which we run into the Smart PLS. And then if we go down further, then these are the 2 wonderful books are there. And this wonderful book I have used in order to prepare my 8 videos on the Smart PLS, on theoretical videos on Smart. It's a wonderful book. And this is also available there now. Here some of the advanced issues have been discussed, which have not been discussed in this book. So if you want to have this book, you can just send me an email, and I can send out you the book to you, the soft copy of this book to you, free of the cost. And then if you go down further, now the same books are available in the different international languages, like in the Korean, Persian, Chinese, and the German language. So from this point of view, from this, you can understand how much the software is popular across the world. And then they are also providing some of the support, money back guarantee. If you are not satisfied, then the complete money may be back, maybe sent you back to you. And the free 30 days trial is available. And when that one, you can do almost all the work. And after the expiry of the 30 days, then definitely you have to buy it, because there is no free lunch in the world. So this person is a Marco Sardest. There is a wonderful guy who is behind this one, another behind the development of this software, along with the Professor Ringel. So 3 people majorly they have contributed. One, the professor here, and Professor Marco and Professor Ringel. The 3 people are there. Okay, these are some of the testimonials are available on this one. And this newsletter is there. Some of the usage terms, privacy, and all these things are, some of the things are there. And then we have to go back on the top of this one. We have reached on the top of the one. And then another thing is about the downloads. So if you want to download it, what to do? First off, click this one. So now when we click this one, now we have reached on another link, and this link provides providing you some detail regarding the download latest version. Latest version is available 3.3.3. which is latest. It is available, and this is available for the Macintosh or Apple operating system as well as a Windows, but for the 64-bit. And all these, if your Windows is 10 or 8, 8.17 or Windows whatever, so for all these type of the Windows versions, this software is available, but making sure that your window is a 64-bit. Okay, and those who do not have the 64-bit, what they should do, they have also provided an excellent option for them, those who are using the 32-bit. Now this is the 32-bit and the same is available, but the latest version is not available for the 32-bit users, and the 3.2.9, this version is available for them. Okay, and then another thing about the pricing. Definitely, that means that we have to buy it. When we to buy the, definitely we should know what type of the packages they are providing to us. In this one, like the presently 4 packages are available. This is a student package, it's a professional for the academic use. That means if you are working in any education institute on giving the proper proof, then you can use this option. Like this, you can use this package, and then the professional commercial use is also available, and the enterprise use is also available. So these 4 packages are available. And this one, if we talk about the student, now it is free, for lifelong. It is a free. You will not require to pay anything to the Smart PLC owner. So completely, it's a free, but with certain serious limitations. The first serious limitation is that it will not allow to work on the more than 100 rows. Rows means another term say that your data, if your data more than 100 are there, then definitely you cannot work on that one. Limited algorithm or calculations options are available. In case of the professional, unlimited rows are available. All the calculation algorithm is available, and the same is for the rest of the packages is available. And then Excel support and the HTML support. Now, basically, our research after calculating analyzing our data, definitely we will get result. Now we can export the results in the Excel format to someone else or for our own use, as well as in the HTML format we can also. Now this facility is not available for the student in package, but for the rest of packages it is available. Email support. Now for this different days, the email support is available. Personal support is not available for the first 3 packages, but for the last one, the 8 hours personal support is available through the Skype. And individual coaching, no coaching available, and just only 1 day individual coaching is available for the enterprise package holders. And then the seat license, it's a free. As I told you, lifelong, it is free for you. But if you want to buy for the professional academic use, then it's available against the 220 euro. But if you want to buy the professional, then you have to pay 440 euro. Now, because they are offering a 50% discount to the academicians. Now you have to prove here that you are belonging to any education institute, and upon that proof, now this type of the type of the discount may be available to you. Okay, so these are different are there. So at the end for the free, just download. Do not require to pay anything. 220 for this one, 440, and then the 3,520 euro for this one. Okay, so this was about our packages, our pricing, and then but how to purchase it. Okay, now after the purchase, we are going to see what resources are available for the Smart PLS. Dear friends, again, several resources are available. So getting started, then the PLS books are available, e-books are available, and then online courses are available which you can do, and then recent developments, if there's some of the recent developments are there, they will also they are also providing some knowledge about the recent development. Literature is available, different type of the research books, research paper, articles, so many like applications are available. Now videos are available on the different topic like the multi-group analysis and different type like the assessing discriminant validity, assessing the convergent validity, and different things. You can missing data marker in the space. So many options are available. Choosing PLS same is there are the two type of the PLS same. One is a CV same, and there is the variance based V software. So PLS same is a part of the variance based statistical equation modeling. So now which one to choose, in which condition, detail is available, and then different algorithms are available. So now detail is available about the all the algorithm by like the permutation, variation, moderation, model fit, multi-group analysis, and different consistent bootstrapping, and so blindfolding, different options are available to you. So now some of the project examples are also there. So now a wonderful support they are giving you, wonderful resources they are giving to you. At the end, support is also available from this website. Now support is available to you in the different format. One is a frequently asked questions are available. Now you can go and read out all those one. The different forums are also available. If you have any question, any query, you can leave that question on this forum and someone will answer you from this forum. Ticketing system is also there, and the mail is also through the mail. You can also contact with them. So this is our overall about the support. And last one but not the least, they have also a like the Facebook page. You can join this Facebook page and you can know about the latest development in the field like the in smart PLS through this Facebook page. Okay, this is all about the introduction of the whole website. Now I would like to show you about the software, how it works. So dear friend, this is the interface of the smart PLS, very simple and straightforward interface like the other software which you are using. And then if you want to switch to the another license, then this available options available to you in the profile. Right now I'm in professional, but if you want to go into the another one, then just change the license and then click the start. And once if they are providing the relevant key, and they will allow you, and then you can work in that one. So right now I'm going to exit from this one because I'm not interested in change the license. Okay, now this is the overall the menu which you will get or the interface. So in this one, you see this is the smart PLS book corporation model, corporate reputation exchange model is available, and these two are my own project on which I'm working. Okay, and this is the archive, and if you are working, then you can archive. Like I'm archiving this one. This is the archive on which you can save out your work in Visa, and later on you can check out the archiving from this one. Okay, and this is the double click to create a model. So if you double click, you can be able to create a model. And this is the double click to import the data. So now how to import the data? Okay, so if you want to import the data, what type of data it is accepting? It only accepts that any data which is an extension of the .csv, and means the comma separate value or .txt. My video is available, this one through which this video will tell you how you can change the format of your data from any other format into the CSV. For example, if your format is a space is like the .sav, then how to change, this video is available. And if your data is in Excel but with another extension, then how to change, then again this video can help you. Mind it that this smart PLS will only accept that data which is extension of the CSV or TXT, just only two extensions. Now this is the ESI. Now this is a model, this is a black and white model. Okay, and then it is a color model. And then here see the total records are 250 now. So now, as I told you, in the student version, the biggest limitation is of the records. In the student version, you cannot work more than 100. But here is a professional license which I have bought. So that's why I have this opportunity to work on more than the 100 reports. So now this is all about the colors and all these you can change. So now this is the overall interface of this software. Further work. further introduction of this software, you can watch out in the video number 2 of this series. So here I would like to end my lecture, and very soon I will meet you in the another like the video. So please take care, but take care of yourself and also take care of this channel by subscribing, by liking, or by leaving your comment over there. Thank you very much for watching this video.